These tortilla pinwheel appetizer are just so easy to make and so adaptable to change the different ingredients, but you do need to start them the day before. Okay, now these tortilla pinwheels are just really super simple to make, but you do have to kind of prepare in advance. Now, first thing this morning is I took out my cream cheese so it can get at room temperature. Now, I also got my flour tortillas and took them out of the refrigerator so they would be at room temperature and be really pliable. Now, the second thing I did, I need black olives that are drained really well, and I want them dry. So I just took my oven rack, my broiler pan, put a double layer of paper towels down and spread my black olives on it. And since I did not have fresh jalapenos for the recipe and need to use bottled jalapenos, I also set those out on the rack to dry so they would be as dry as possible. Okay, this recipe is really adaptable. It's basically equal amounts of cream cheese and sour cream. I don't want to make a whole lot of them, so I'm starting out with 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of sour cream. And then I'm just going to whip these two together until they're really well blended. Okay, now that looks really well blended. And of course, the warmer the sour cream is, the cream cheese is, the better it's going to blend out really quick. Now to that, I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, if you wanted to add some chili powder, you probably could, or if you're going with the Greek theme, you could go with Italian seasonings. This is just so adaptable to what you want. So I'm just going to blend all this together really well. Now, according to your taste, you might want to add maybe a half a teaspoon of salt to this, or if you're on a salt restricted diet, just leave it out completely. And we'll give that another blend. And now we're ready to add our vegetables. Now, of course, first thing we've got is our chopped jalapenos. Now, this is 3 to 4 tablespoons. You know, it's up to your taste. You know, you can put 2, you can put 4. It's just whatever you like to do. And I like to blend my vegetables in one at a time so they're kind of mixed in a little better. Now, I need 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped bell peppers. Now, I just love these little bitty ones you can buy, or these mini bells, because you can get this great variety of color. And that is really what's going to make your pinwheels so much more colorful. Okay, so we just need 3 to 4 tablespoons of that. I'm going to have a little left over because I just chopped up one of each pepper. Stir that together. See how pretty that looks. And then I'm adding a 1/4 cup of chopped black olives. All that in. Okay, now I've put out some parchment paper just to make cleanup easy, and now I am ready to roll. I'm just going to put some of this on here, spread it out, and now it's just a matter of rolling these up. Okay, now I just need to get my saran wrap. Now I have found when working with these plastic wraps, this Glad seems to work the best and not cause you so much grief. Okay, I've got these rolled up in plastic wrap. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator at least 2 hours. Overnight would be even better. Okay, let me get going on the rest. Okay, now the recipe made 3 of these rows. And it's just a matter of unwrapping them. I'm going to cut off these edges, you know, just to make it prettier, but I can certainly eat them. I'm going to cut these, you know, about 1 inch a piece. Okay, here you've got your beautiful tortilla pinwheels. And like I said before, it really makes a difference if you use the colored peppers. I'll just try one of these little end pieces. That just tastes great. Now remember, these are made of cream cheese and sour cream. Do not plan on serving these in an outdoor event during the hot summer. Now fall and spring might be okay, but otherwise you need to be somewhere where it's air conditioned. And you'll find this recipe in my book on page 8. You can get it on Amazon, you get it in a paperback, or on Kindle. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.